Apple fans, get ready. The tech giant has just dropped a major hint about its next product launch, and it's happening in less than a week. In a cryptic post on X, Apple CEO Tim Cook teased, "Get ready to meet the newest member of the family." Wednesday, February 19th. While the post didn't explicitly mention the iPhone SE 4, all signs point to this being the long-awaited update to Apple's budget-friendly smartphone line. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, the iPhone SE 4 was initially expected to be announced this week, but the timeline now aligns with Apple's February 19th reveal. This suggests no delays, just Apple sticking to its original plan. The teaser features an Apple logo with a liquid metal design, sparking speculation about the device's aesthetics. While it could technically be an iPad or MacBook, the timing and rumors strongly indicate it's the new iPhone SE. Here's what we expect. Apple will likely unveil the iPhone SE 4 through a newsroom post, with pre-orders opening on Friday, February 21st. Reviews are expected to drop on February 26th or 27th, followed by the official release on February 28th. While details about the phone's design, name, and pricing remain under wraps, one thing is clear: Apple is about to shake up the budget smartphone market. What are your expectations for the iPhone SE 4? Are you excited about this launch? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates from TechVerse. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.